Mom.
Thank you.
Good job, JP. Hey, big win.
Peter. Thank you all for being here tonight. I really appreciate it. And I know a lot of you come from...
We can hear you if the music weren't on.
Can you hear me back there? Can you hear me now? Thank you for being here. And I want to thank Danny for planning this party. I know she put a lot of hours in this. And I also want to thank Michael Turner for spending a lot of hours.
Hey, Michael!